Hi everyone, this is my week 4 of the ARTYmaze May freebie kit, and I'm using just one page and just a few little embellishments. This is a really quick video, really quick project. So as you've seen there, I printed that at 70% because I'm just going to make a journal cover topper for the journal that I'm working on. So I didn't really want to print it like full size because the journal is not like a huge journal. I think the journal is like 7 by 4 3/4, something like that anyway. So I'm just trimming this down to size, so I'm just going to layer 2 pieces together. So now I'm just going to back the 2 pieces onto some coffee dyed paper, and I'm just using a glue stick to do that because I'm going to stitch all around the edges. But if you're not stitching, you can make sure you get to like all around the edges. So I'm just smooshing that down, and then I'm just going to go and stitch all the way around. So it's all been stitched, and I've just pulled out a few little bits to add to it. So I'm just going to ink up the 2 pieces. Again, that's something optional. And I was thinking about how I was going to do that. So I'm just putting plenty of glue on there because we want that to stick, especially on the journal cover. So I'm going to place that kind of towards the top, and that's kind of going to go about there. I was going to ink that, so I'm going to glue all around there, and then I'm just going to glue that because that's going to go behind it. And then I stick that down, and then realise I haven't stuck down the ticket. And to be honest, I could have just cut a little bit of that ticket off instead of wasting the rest of it, but that is what I done. And then simply here I'm just going to add a little label, which is green, and they're from ARTYmaze as well. You can find below all the information about the May challenge, because you can go back and do it again. You don't, just because May's over with doesn't mean you can't go back and use the kit and do whatever you like with it. And obviously in June there will be a new kit, and there'll be new challenges for 4 weeks. So that is it. That's what I've done. Easy peasy. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.